Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see rule 4. What is rule 4? Rule 4 is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not permitted in Java. We have studied multi-level inheritance that is permitted in Java, but multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance is not permitted. Why? Because there is two parent of one child. See here, demo 1 and demo 2. So this is demo 3. This is child class. So this child has two parents. In multiple inheritance, one child has two parents. That is not possible. We all know that the parent of all the classes is object. Okay. So when we are, this is child. So for extending parent, that is demo 1. Then demo 1 extend its parent. So the parent of class is object. And then this demo 3 extends to demo 2 and this demo 2 extends to object because all the classes have parent that is object. So main the parent is object. First of all, one child cannot have two parents. That is not possible. And the second thing is demo 3 extending demo 1, demo 2. And this demo 1 is extending to its parents, that is object, and this demo 2 is extending to this parent, that is object. So there is a diamond shape problem. See, there is a diamond shape problem. So multiple inheritance is not possible using inheritance in Java because there will be diamond shape problem as shown in the figure. See, diamond shape leads to ambiguity or confusion because of multiple inheritance is not permitted. Okay, because there is a diamond shape problem. Now we will see our next rule. Our next rule is hybrid inheritance. So this is hybrid inheritance. It is conditionally permitted. Means sometime it is permitted and sometime not. So what is the structure? Demo 1. This is demo 2. Then demo 4. So what is hybrid inheritance? So this demo 1 having two child, that is demo 2 and demo 3. And this demo 4 again have two parents, that is demo 2 and demo 3. So that's why it is not permitted, because it is hierarchical plus multiple, because this demo 1 has two child, one child can have two, one parent can have two child, but here demo 4 is child and it has two parents, that is not possible. So that's why it is conditionally permitted. Now we'll see the next one, that is cyclic inheritance. So what is cyclic inheritance? Suppose this is demo 1. Cyclic inheritance tells that demo 1 is parent of demo 1 itself. Means you give birth yourself. So this is not possible. Like demo 1 is parent of demo 1. So basically cyclic inheritance is telling that parent of parent means you give yourself birth. Means parent is also this and child is also this. So this is not possible. So that's why cyclic inheritance is also not permitted in Java. Okay, this is cyclic inheritance. So that's all for today. Now we will discuss more rules in the next class. Okay, thank you.